Common sense tells you that a lot of belly fat is bad for you. Belly fat has been scientifically and medically linked to life-threatening diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Losing belly fat has both immediate and long-term health benefits, including a longer lifespan. But one of the best ways to lose belly fat quickly but safely? Here are 4 proven helpful strategies. Cut refined carbohydrates from your diet as much as you can. Refined carbs are found in white flour, white bread, white rice, pastries, sodas, snacks, pasta, sweets, breakfast cereals, and any food with added sugars. Refined carbs turn into fat after you've eaten them. Eat more protein. Protein is the most important macronutrient when it comes to losing weight. Protein makes up the building blocks of organs, muscles, of skin, and many of the hormones in your body. Eggs, milk, nuts, beans, certain kinds of meat, and many types of vegetables contain protein. There is evidence that protein is particularly effective against belly fat. Eat foods that are rich in fiber, especially viscous fiber. Fiber slows the movement of food and absorption of nutrients in the digestive system. You feel full longer and are therefore less likely to eat more. Exercise. This is one of the most effective ways to reduce belly fat. It has the added benefit of using up excess sugar in your blood, reducing the chance of developing diabetes. Dietitians and nutritionists also suggest that you track your foods and figure out exactly what and how much you are eating. Doing this conscientiously for a few days can help you realize where you need to make changes to get the results you want. The purpose of this video has been to provide quick basic answers to the question, how do I reduce my belly fat quickly? For additional information, see links to related resources in the description section. This video is just one of hundreds of health-related videos available on this channel. Please feel free to explore others or subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when each new one appears.